Hey guys, welcome to Tech in Motion, and today's video is on how to use Android Messages feature on your PC. The new feature is that you can sync your messages from your Android phone to your PC and you can send SMS through the phone itself. It is necessary to use the Google Messages app. The link will be in the description below, and you can use the app to send and view SMS on your PC. So for that you need to type in messages.android.com on your web browser. It will open up the website in which the step-by-step procedures are given and a QR code is shown. That QR code should be scanned through your phone app itself, and the QR code will be scanned through the Messages app, and when you scan it will load all the conversations that you had in your Messages app on your PC, and it will show all the contacts itself for sending any messages or SMS to anyone. It is always better to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your PC and your phone. Here you can see all the messages that I got from a network operator in the PC. And if you want to send any message or SMS to any new person, then you can click on New Conversation. There you can type in the name if the phone number is present in the contact of your phone, and you can type in the email as well. Here all my contacts are shown and I can send any message to anyone from the PC itself. And that's how Android Messages work. And if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech content.